Welcome back to Finance Ostrich, where we believe money doesn't grow on trees, it just withers in wallets. Today, we're diving into how to not blow your money, because let's face it, if it were easy, you wouldn't need us. Buckle up as we guide you through the financial jungle with a sprinkle of sensibility and a pint of practicality. Broke but bougie, budgeting for the unwilling. Let's explore the art of pretending to be rich while your bank account gently weeps. If you've ever bought champagne tastes on a beer budget, you're in the right place. Here, we believe budgeting isn't just for the frugal, it's for the fabulous who occasionally forget they aren't millionaires. So grab your last $20 bill and let's plan how not to spend it on another decorative pillow. Because, let's be honest, while money can't buy happiness, it sure can buy a lot of unnecessary stuff that temporarily feels like it. Credit cards, the good, the bad, and the ugly debt. Moving on, it's time to swipe through the highs and lows of plastic money. Imagine a world where buying now and paying later didn't mean a surprise party of bills every month. Sadly, that's not this world. Here, credit cards come armed with perks on one hand and predatory interest rates on the other. So, let's navigate the minefield of rewards versus debt. Remember, every swipe can either be a step towards miles of smiles with airline points or a slide into the abyss of debt. Use wisely, or you'll find out why they're not just called interest rates. They're truly interesting when they skyrocket. Investing for nervous wrecks. It's not just for suits. Investing isn't just for the wolves of Wall Street or those who drink espresso by the gallon. Nope, it's also for you, the nervous wrecks, silently screaming at every market dip. Here's a tip. Deep breaths and diversification. Instead of putting all your eggs, or in your case, your anxieties, in one basket, spread them out. Stocks, bonds, maybe some real estate for good measure. Think of it like yoga for your portfolio. Balance is key. And remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Unless the market crashes, then maybe sprint. Savings accounts, where your money goes to nap. Savings accounts, the financial equivalent of a snooze fest. But hey, who doesn't like a good nap? Especially when it's your money taking the rest in the safe and cozy confines of a bank. Here's the deal. While your funds won't be sprinting towards massive growth, they will be inching forward, slow and steady, like a tortoise on tranquilizers. It's the vanilla ice cream of the investing world. Not thrilling, but reliable. And in a world where financial surprises are rarely fun, a little boring stability can be your best friend. So, let your money snore away. It's earning a bit while it sleeps, after all. Taxes, giving away your hard-earned cash legally. Taxes, the only thing more certain than death and less enjoyable than root canal surgery. Every year, like clockwork, we get to partake in the joyous activity of giving away our hard-earned cash. Legally, of course. It's the time we all turn into amateur detectives, hunting through receipts and deductions like they're hidden treasures. Think of it as a mandatory subscription to the society you live in, only you never agreed to subscribe and there are no free trials. But hey, on the bright side, your money's going on a fantastic adventure through government labyrinths, hopefully to return as public services. So, smile when you file, because nothing says, I'm an adult quite like a completed tax return. Retirement planning, because you might live that long. Retirement planning. It's like saving up for the longest vacation of your life, only you're not just packing sunscreen and swimwear, but also ensuring you don't run out of cash. Think of your retirement fund as your future self's best friend, the one that lets you buy piña coladas on a Tuesday afternoon without a care in the world. Start early, contribute often, and remember, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. It works best when you give it more time to mingle. So, unless you plan on winning the lottery or discovering a forgotten inheritance from a distant relative, it's time to get serious about stacking those retirement dollars. Insurance, betting on disasters, and hoping to lose, Insurance, the only time you bet big on disasters and genuinely hope to lose. Imagine treating life's unpredictable mishaps like a casino game, but instead of chips, you're wagering with premium payments. And the jackpot? Well, it's not having your house burned down or your car totaled. Whether it's health, home, or auto, each policy is like buying peace of mind on layaway. So roll the dice wisely, knowing the odds are in favor of needing it someday. And remember, in the grand casino of life, it's better to walk out with what you came in with, rather than needing a big payout. That's all for how to not blow your money. If you learned something today, great. If not, we'll try harder next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share because misery loves company. Stay tuned for more financially dubious advice from your favorite ostrich. Until next time, keep your wallet close and your spending habits questionable.